As an accident attorney here in Arizona, people always ask me, how long does a process take to settle a case, like from beginning to end? Technically on the books, the statute of limitations is 2 years, so you have 2 years to file a lawsuit from the date of the accident, but most cases don't go that long. Most cases will settle probably about 6 months. Essentially, once you're done treating, once you're back to 100%, you feel as good as you did before the accident. Usually it's about 60 to 90 days after that when settlement negotiations start, and then we go back and forth and come up with a fair settlement for you. So that's, again, from the day you're done completed treatment, it's usually about 6 months when it's all said and done. One of the things you have to remember, and then again, that negotiation process, with the insurance company usually takes about 3 to 4 weeks. One rule of thumb is if you take the first offer, or if there's no real fight in the negotiation, you're going to get a low settlement. So, you don't want to go with a lawyer or a law firm that takes the first offer, because it's definitely going to be low when it comes to insurance cases, because you're entitled to getting all your medical bills paid for, and you're entitled to pain and suffering, and you're entitled to wage losses too. And so make sure you negotiate hard to get all that stuff, all that you're entitled to, right after you're done, or right after the chiropractor or physical therapist, whoever, releases you to maximum medical improvement. Most cases settle. Only about 5% actually go to trial, or actually probably about 5% only go to litigation. And the difference is that in litigation is if the insurance company is not treating you fairly, we file a lawsuit against the driver who hit you, and we do the lawsuit part of it. We do the paperwork, we do the depositions, we do all that stuff. I would say about 10% of the cases end up like that, and then out of that, maybe 3% of the cases actually get in front of a jury or an arbitrator, or anybody like that who actually makes a decision on the cases. Most cases settle before that jury decision, or that judge decision, or that arbitrary decision. But every now and then we do have to go in front of the arbitrator and argue our side, because the insurance company is not treating you fairly. So make sure that your lawyer has experience litigating cases, just in case if that's needed. So that's kind of the process for how long it takes to settle an accident case here in Arizona. If you have any questions, please get in touch with my firm. You can email me at DerronW, that's DERRONW @MSN.com, or contact me at 602-280